What up? Another mukbang. Mukbang. Anyway. Alright, so good old Mickey D's. Got some bit rizzies on the trizzies. We've got some Pico Guac from the signature crop. Let's do this. How can I? Let me hit that thumbnail. Let me see. Damn. It's hard to do this. How about? Screw it. The signature. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. 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 Signature. So we got the Pico Guac. Best fries ever. Yummy. Give me some more. Out the door. Anyway, we got the Pico Guacamole Lime Artisan Roll Crispy Chicken Meal, medium. Let's see. How much was that beef? $6.65. Plus, I donated $1 to childhood cancer. Like I said in my last video, I'm always up for a good cause. So, plus tax, $8.12 out the door. Not bad. Not great. Not bad. Anyway. So, drink. Good to go. Give me some milk. Let's see. So, damn. Messy as hell. So, let me just show you what we've got. Look at that. Bam! Look at that bun. Bam! Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Bam! Thank you, ma'am. We got tomatoes, guacamole. You got a lime sitting here in the corner. Look at that. Look at that. With some lettuce and a crispy chicken. Yeah. Not bad. Looking kind of good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out. I'm going to show you that chicken. Look at that with the cheese, melted cheese. I'm going to put some lime on the beast. Boom. Sprinkle that. Boom on the lettuce. I'm going to fold her over. I'm going to go in for that bite. That first bite. Look at that. Look at this. Damn. I must say, that's a pretty good looking sandwich. Let's try it out. You taste the guacamole a lot. You don't really taste the lime too much, but not bad. They're not bad. I like the tomatoes though. I like when they're chopped up. Like that. All chopped up. You know? Know what I'm saying? It's a little spicy. I'm surprised. Let's see. Yeah, I could do this. Damn, it's a little spicy though. It's alright though. Not bad. Best fries ever. Pico Guacamole. The artisan signature Pico Guacamole crispy chicken sandwich. The lime is a nice touch. The tomatoes are a nice touch. I think it's heavy on the guac, but not bad. Heavy on that guac. I make guacamole at home. I put olive oil in it, salt, pepper, garlic, lemon juice. And I usually make that with like nachos, chili nachos, and it comes out bomb. This one's a little spicy, which is good if you like spicy, but that's really all you taste. Taste the guacamole a lot, which is fine because it's called the Pico Guacamole sandwich, right? I got the crispy chicken. You can get the grilled chicken. But you can't really taste the chicken too much. So, I don't know. Anyway, fries are good. Would I get this again? Maybe. Maybe if I tell them light guacamole next time. Don't get me wrong, it's not bad at all. But it's too heavy on the guac, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See that? It's just heavy on that guac. Check that out. Look. See that? Heavy as hell. But it's not bad. Damn. Tomatoes keep falling out. Huh? Damn, son. Nah, me. Spicy for sure. I gotta taste cilantro in there. Onions, cilantro. So, let's talk about something else. Today is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2017. Wednesday. In 3 days, I'll be flying back to my hometown in Jersey. For my best friend's wedding. So, I fly in Friday. Saturday's the rehearsal. We'll be picking up the tuxedos. And Sunday's the wedding. Monday I'll be flying back home. So, looking forward to getting away from work for a little while. I'm not looking forward to coming back and having to go right back to work, but what you gonna do? Sometimes you do what you gotta do. You know what I mean? So anyway, that was good shit. The Pico Guacamole signature crafted crispy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. 712, 812. Out the dough, give me some mo. And yeah, not bad. I don't know that I'd get it again. There are others that I would definitely not get again. This, I might. It wasn't terrible. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. They went a little heavy on the guacamole, but it's not bad. Everything's actually pretty good. Tastes pretty good. You can tell everything's fresh. The cheese is good. You know, crispiness on the chicken. Overall, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. If I had to rate it out of a 10, I would say, you know, a strong 7. I'd probably get it again. See, the thing is, like, for me, I've always find myself coming back to the comfort ones, to the comfort burgers and subs and sandwiches and meals that I know are good, because I wouldn't say that I eat out a ton, but when I eat out, I want it to be something that I enjoy. And I kind of tend to stick with the things that I know I'll enjoy. So I try not to really try new things. But, you know, you guys want to see different things, new things, old things, you know. So I try to keep it interesting. Everybody knows what a Big Mac tastes like. Everybody knows what a double cheeseburger is, you know. So we try to keep it interesting up in here. Anyway, so that's it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. If you did, smash that like button. Drop your comments down below on any thoughts, ideas, things you'd like to see or hear me talk about, or whatnot. And that's about it. Let me know how you guys feel, what you guys think, and let's communicate. So that's it. 812. Out the door. Give me some more. I'll catch you guys on the next show. Deuces.